Good afternoon. My Pulindi boy has come to meet me. It's really nice to see you.
It's nice to see you too.
Alright. I would love to know what you feel on COVID-19 situation we face nowadays.
But I have some safety tips for you. We gotta wear a mask, wash our hands, use sanitizers, and we gotta stay home. Then
The best thing is to stay home.
Yep. So the COVID-19 won't spread.
So that.
This situation gets spread better and better and better.
Yeah. People.
Have died from COVID-19.
And how do you learn those things?
News, cartoon, and everything.
Does card
Google.
Google. Do you search Google? So I would love to know some more information on the countries which you know already. Do you know how to see the countries from the world map?
Yeah, I have a world map book.
Really?
Yeah, it has a gigantic map inside it.
Oh wow. And what else? What else?
I like to explore the planet.
Wow.
Yeah,
What else?
but
Oh, it's really nice. Okay, just tell me, how did you learn to find the countries by using a world map? How did you learn those things? You are still small.
because I need to learn more, and they have words on maps. So I read the words. Now I know the country's names.
Can you look at the camera so that people can see your beautiful face? Smart boy, my smart boy. Right? Okay, so can you tell me some more information, some more details on your ambition?
What is the ambition?
What do you want to be in the future after learning these things? Okay?
I like to be a scientist.
Scientist, wow. I'm so happy on that. So I am behind you. I am teaching many things to you. So you will become a scientist one day. I will be so happy and proud of you on that day. Okay? So I think there is a giant inside you.
I don't have a giant inside me.
No, I know you have. It's hidden somewhere.
Oh.
I want to take it out.
I don't have one.
You have.
Yeah.
I am trying to take it out.
That's funny, teacher. But shall we get to work?
Okay. And I would love to know, why do you like me this much? Sometimes you tell me I am the best and you love me so much. What's the reason for loving me?
Because you're nice. You're really good. I like you. You're so cool. Because I love you.
So you look at the camera, you face the camera so that everyone can see your face.
Okay.
And even me, when I miss you, I can see this video.
Yeah.
Right? And what else you have to say? What do you feel? What do you feel? What can you say about our school, our environment? They are full of trees and things.
Yeah, it looks a little bit rusty, but it's cool.
School.
But
So, do you like to study further in my school?
okay.
You like?
What about that stack it school? When you stack it,
So, once you told me you love to be a scientist one day.
yeah.
After becoming a scientist, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make cushions and robots, and I'm gonna make you a nice robot and give it to you. And it will make you breakfast and wake up you in the morning,
Wow.
and it will do everything for you.
So my work will be much easier
Yeah.
after I get your robot.
Yeah.
Wow. Just tell me all the things in English, yes?
Yeah. I'm not a real scientist yet,
Mm-hmm.
but I will be someday.
Mm-hmm. For sure. I know you can.
Yeah.
Because you love to learn things, right?
Yeah.
So do you like to go and meet my principal? Shall we move there? Do you
Okay.
like to see our office and things in the
Okay.
school? Let's move.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful, okay? Sandhu,
Yeah.
is there a story
Huh?
which has happened in 1962?
Nope.
According to your mother, you have revealed something. Can't you remember?
Yeah, but I can tell you an adorable photo of adorable robot, adorable cat robot. He's adorable. But it's some me. Tao về mẹ cái nó vector.
Hmm.
Tao vector hadal din tao robola. Evo vector. Ikan yang Evo. Good master. Good test. Yala hari. Yala it was a Cosmo. Vector gitana.
Mm-hmm. And I want you two to talk again, Bashi and Sandhu.
Okay. How many times did I talk?
as, as you wish.
Wait a second. I can pick it. I can die one. My kapal da. Allah ne ka phone.
Bashi,
Mukha mudra lagane ka.
just speak in English.
Alagata mama ranne tu aati anu puluhan.
Just speak in English.
We can just take up and there's a chance of these leaves are getting in my way. On one end.
Oh, it's a red.
Ant is
red
really not good. He's struggling. See? I got one too. We should.
Maybe it's hurting. Maybe it's painful.
No,
Don't break its legs.
We're not playing.
I didn't break her leg. He just free and go away with his
He's
friends.
because he's afraid because he's trapped.
Yeah.
But
He's
see that
afraid.
legs. These are the legs of ant.
Mhm.
See those. See those. That. Okay. See that mouth? It's struggling.
Struggling to save its life. Struggling to save its life.
Yeah. See?
From you too.
And the bug is trapped with these ants. And the bug is trapped.
Mm.
And see those tail? What is that tail for?
I do not know.
Ant? You're free. Good day. Goodbye, ant. That's all we need, okay? Why do the bag...
Look at the camera.
That bug is trapped, see? See? Let me show you. Okay. See? Take out the open. See? That bug is trapped.